Want to find that perfect tool allowing you to create unlimited images using AI? Do you want to find the perfect tool allowing you to create videos using AI without having the watermarks on there? Fear not, you can create something like this, a photo asking you to subscribe to RA Solutions. You can also turn that photo into a video of somebody holding the sign up with some music playing in the background, asking you to subscribe to RA Solutions. Let's take it a step further. You can even have another guy talk to you about
subscribe to Solutions,
asking you to subscribe to RA Solutions. But you notice there's no watermark on any of those videos, and there's no watermark on that high quality image. And you can do this absolutely free without having your prompts capped for on a specific day, like you have if you use the free version of ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini. You will be only to create a certain number of images or videos with those AI tools. This one's absolutely free and it's unlimited. I'm going to show you how to do this. Please stick around, like, subscribe and share. So this is what the interface looks like, very similar to ChatGPT. You've got the prompt section here where you can put your prompt in. You've got the plus icon here where you can upload attachments, you can do some deep research, you can create an image, create a video, do some web development, allow it to create slides for you using AI, and there's more as well, so please do check that out. Across the right side there's 3 different modes. You've got auto, thinking and fast. So if you want answers generated in a quick turnaround, so you click on fast. If you want it to really think about the answers it gives you, you click on thinking, but I'm going to leave it as auto. But you can talk into it by recording your voice, but also you can do video chat and use your voice at the same time. Let's generate a prompt here. So I want it to create a video, image of a footballer kicking a ball. Alright, so I'm going to generate that image. I'm going to put myself on mute and fast forward the video whilst it generates the image. There you go, it's generated the image of a person or a footballer kicking a football in a stadium. So it's a good quality image. There's no watermarks surrounding it. You can download, you can edit it further, but this is an interesting option. You can create a video from that photo or image. Let's create a video. So I'm going to click on that. It adds create a video into the tag. So create a video on the footballer kicking the ball into the goal and then celebrates. Right, let's see what it does. Okay, let's click on generate. So it's going away. I'm going to put myself on mute, fast forward the video whilst it generates this video. So it's created the video now. Let's click the video, see what it does when we play it. There we go. There we go, it's created a nice looking high quality video. There's no watermarks on this video, but you can publish this video onto this app. You can download this video as a video file, but you can click on the cross, but there's no watermark here and it's high quality. And there's also sound effects there. You can hear the music in the background, but you can then further customize this video. So that's a really nifty way of creating images and videos using AI. There's no cap involved, there's no fees involved, and there's nothing like that. And the aspect ratio, you can change it from landscape to portrait, depending on if you want to share it on your reels. It's entirely up to you. But there's another good thing, obviously, of this AI tool. It's absolutely free to use, as I've said before, and you don't have to pay £20, £30 a month, or $20, $30 a month to fork out for this AI tool. So please do check it out. You're probably wondering, what is this AI tool called? It's called quen.ai. So please check it out. You do log in to this, either creating a username and password. You can log in using your Google details. Absolutely do check it out. Hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.